Hey guys and gals, it's Jim back here with another Batmobile 1989 Michael Keaton Batmobile update. A dedication built to Jim over at Jim's Model Car Garage and all that. And it's been a while. I've been promised someone to build a model car. I know this isn't a normal model car, but it still falls into the car category and all that. So I do have a model car kit of I think it's a '68 Dodge Charger, which was one of my favorite cars, and all that. But yeah, I've been promising the car guys, especially Jim, that I was going to build a model car kit, and just to show that I can build other stuff besides sci-fi and stuff like that. So this is dedicated to Jim, and he's going through some tough times as far as emotional and things like that. I'm not going to get into it. I'm sure a lot of you viewers know about it and stuff, especially you car guys. But anyway, I this is what I got between shooting some videos of some Star Wars things, some 3D printed kits that I did. My previous two videos were of two 3D printed kits, both the same kit, but different revisions were done on the second one that the first one didn't have. It's screen accurate now. I mean, the first one looked pretty good, other than the the side wings, the side panels. It didn't have the correct framework as you see on screen. But I did both of the videos on those, and I apologize for the previous video to this one, the second version of the TIE Bomber. The sun just decided it was gonna pop through my window and kind of wash things out in the video, so everything looks a lot brighter than it actually is. In another day or so, I'll do another video just to do some beauty shots of it and stuff. The cockpit is really lit up. It's not as bright as the first version, but it is lit up red and stuff like that. The sun was just washing everything out big time on me, so I apologize for that. But I think you guys got the hang of the first version, and then the second version, which is the screen accurate with the side wings, the framework, and all that. So that's that. So this morning I decided, before I got busy doing videos and starting to paint some of the accent pieces. There's some tubular pieces go on the side, chrome. I sprayed those with some steel color. I got my wheels done. Doing my gas caps, and on my gas caps they're chrome pieces, but actually what I did, I sprayed them with the transparent window tints, the testers in the spray can, and they're like a black chrome. I thought that would look good. And the movie replica, they're actually black. And another thing too, I was going through some videos from the movies. The original first Batman with Michael Keaton, the Batmobile was a flat color, like almost like a brownish black. I just went with a satin black. It's got a little bit more sheen than flat does. In the Batman Returns movie, it was actually a gloss black, which I don't know. I could do it that way, but I kind of like the flat, the satin look better and stuff. That's what I see in most of the pictures and stuff. But anyway, I'm painting some of the accent pieces, different things like that. I got the rear exhaust tips that I got painted. I got the little turbine cover that goes on the back that sticks out. I got that painted up and everything. So we're getting there. But what I got done this morning was I installed my my yellow LEDs for the headlights and everything. Those are the kit frames. Like I said, they're solid pieces in the back, and you just glued a clear lens over it and paint it yellow, clear yellow, whatever. I did show in a previous video how I cut out all the frame, the back of the frame, so it was all open. I did glue the clear lenses in there with canopy glue, and then I put a couple extra layers of canopy glue in back. Now in person, these are like a amber yellow, like a parking light turn signal should look. The cameras brighten them up a whole lot, but you can tell, you can get the gist that they're yellow and everything, and that gives it a little bit more. But they are a real nice yellow and everything like that, so I'm happy with that. And as far as yesterday's video I did on the tail lights and everything, I talked about the light blocking with that tulip and stuff. I got all my back of it all light blocked with the tulip and everything. And what I did in the front for the headlights, I went around the edges of the headlight housing and put a line of tulip around that, so that way it seals that up. Because they really didn't fit proper with just gluing them. There were gaps in there and stuff, and all that. So I ran a bead of tulip all the way around the edge, so that way the yellow LEDs are only going to come through the headlight lenses, and there's not going to be no like light leaks where you see little cracks of light, around the framework and stuff. But that's what I got going. I got big old gobs of hot glue in there because basically, in order to make room, keep room for the wheel wells and everything to fit when I put the bottom on, I had there's like an edge there. So I really had to glob on a lot of glue to hold those LEDs steady. They're kind of angled towards the headlight and everything, and they light it up just right. Now, one thing in the movie, and it doesn't matter to me. I'm not trying to be screen accurate. As far as my headlights, I got a spot, the hot spots in the center of each one. Now, in the movie, you'll see two hot spots, next to each other. Um, I just didn't want to start cramming a whole bunch of LEDs and stuff in there, and that, keeping it basic, just a basic lighting job. I could have fit one. I don't know if it would have shown up as two spots in there, two lights poking through the lens, with the hot spots like what we call them. But and like I said, in person, you see the amber LED back there, but it's not. It's more like that amber color. It's not so bright yellow and washed out. So cameras do that stuff and all. I don't have my turbine deal hooked up, but the tail lights there, I'll probably pop on the clear red. It's got clear red lenses and stuff, so that'll tone them down a little bit and all that. Um, I'll be starting to work on my instrument panel. I got that all drilled out and filled with canopy glue for the lighting and stuff, and we'll be getting to that and stuff. And there's an opening on the top of the roof there. So what I'll be doing before I start buttoning this all up, I'll paint all these wires. I'll bundle them all up because they're going to run through the bottom of the chassis into the base and all that. I'll paint all these wires black, either that or I'll cover them. I'll use a piece of heat shrink tubing on them, bundle them up like that. But that way you won't see none of that the white hot glue and stuff like that through that opening. Everything will be flat black, even though you're not going to notice it that much. I still wanna get everything painted black back there and all that, and that way there's nothing noticeable as far as wiring goes and stuff. But it's fun working on this, lighting her up and stuff. Looking forward to starting working on the dashboard and stuff like that. I don't know if I'll add any more stuff. There's some instrument panels between the seats. I don't know if I'm going to do anything with those as far as fiber optics or that. I don't. None of that stuff is glued, or I mean, other than the seats being glued into the interior. I don't have nothing else glued in there, so I don't know if I'll drill out any for fiber optics in other places. But mainly, I wanted to do the instrument panel because you'll be able to see that real nice through the window and stuff, the windshield and stuff. So that's it for now. And all, and probably be another day or two before I come back with another update video and all that stuff. And we'll be talking to you soon. While I'm working on this, I'm starting to cut my wood for my framework for my base and everything. So I got a lot of projects going on at once and stuff. So I'm happy with the way this is turning out so far. So till the next time, you guys all take care. Stay safe out there. Thanks to all my subscribers. Thanks to all my new subscribers. Thanks for hitting the like button. Thanks for leaving all the nice comments. Hope everybody has a happy holiday season, a Merry Christmas, and a Happy New Year's. A healthy one. You and your families all, enjoy it, and hope everybody's been being good. So Santa brings us all a lot of model kits to build. Till the next time, take care, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.